back, everybody. Welcome back. Nonna Pina, how are you today?
Okay.
Are you hungry today?
No.
You're not hungry?
No.
So why are we cooking if you're not hungry?
12 o'clock, I eat something.
Okay, so it's still early for you to eat. But what we are going to make today, ladies and gentlemen, with all these fantastic ingredients, is sugo. Sugo is tomato sauce. This is pureed, crushed tomatoes here that is going to reduce and cook. And what we're going to cook in that sauce, to flavor that sauce, to give that sauce the most love possible, is a whole bunch of good stuff. So what we have here are homemade Italian sausages, which Nonna Pina did an episode on. We've boiled these to get rid of that skim of fat that's on the surface. Some spare ribs is going to go in the sauce. We've also boiled these. How long did you boil them for, Nonna Pina?
Half hour.
Half hour, okay.
Yeah.
So they're almost cooked, and they're going to continue to cook in the sauce. And then here we have veal shoulder pieces. Can you show us a piece? How big did you cut the veal shoulder? Okay, so chunks of, perfect, okay, Nonna Pina. So chunks of veal shoulder, you could ask the butcher to cut it for you for sugo, for sauce. And then we have ground pork and ground beef that you're going to make homemade meatballs. So in this fantastic sauce, we are going to put the veal shoulder, homemade meatballs, which we'll show, spare ribs, and sausage. And we are going to marinate the veal shoulder first. So why don't you marinate the veal shoulder, Nonna Pina? Because we have to fry the veal shoulder first. Fallo, ma. So this cooked, Nonna Pina, for a total of 2 hours, right? And we cook the meat in portions, in segments, as you'll see in the video. We don't just put all the meat in at once. because the different meats need more time to cook and some need less. So Nonna Pina, why don't you bring it over here to the counter, and then we'll put it in the tray. Be careful, and we'll see how beautiful this really did come out. That sauce is just stunning. Okay. Okay, Nonna Pina, the espresso looks great, but the food looks even better, doesn't it, Nonna Pina? Show us the sauce, Nonna Pina, that is the leftover. Yeah. Keep going, Nonna Pina. That just makes me smile. Imagine pouring that on pasta. Can you stir that? Can we see it? Stir it, Pina. Yeah, that's nice and thick. And that's all flavored by this wonderful meat. Okay, Nonna Pina, that's okay now. Look at this. So what we have here is the veal shoulder, which is right there. All the veal shoulder. Then we have the sausage. We have the spare ribs, as you can see here. And then the beautiful meatballs. Did we miss anything? We did meatballs, we did sausage, spare ribs, and the veal shoulder. Nonna Pina, that's what I call a feast. Would you say?
Thank you.
Say thank you again. Okay.
Thank you.
Excellent. Very good. Very tasty. See you next